In this video, I will show you a website that can pay you over $74,000 a month in pure passive income while searching Google. So you don't need your own website on Google, you don't need any social media followers, you don't need to invest a single dollar, and you can be a complete beginner from anywhere in the world searching on Google using this website and making tens of thousands of dollars a month if you're able to pull this off right. Then I'm gonna walk you through the entire process in this video and show you exactly how this works. So drop a like down below and let us begin with step number one, which is to go over to Google and search for different articles that give people advice on how to rank higher on Google Maps or just how to rank higher on Google overall. Just a quick disclaimer here, if someone replies to your comment like this claiming they're me, just know it's a scam. I don't have WhatsApp, I don't have Telegram, and I would never text you for money. You can check their accounts, they don't have a verification badge, they don't have the same subscribers or videos as me, and they will just scam you. My only Instagram account is @I'mDaveNick. People are just creating fake accounts, reposting my photos, and DMing you asking for money. You can check their posts, the engagement is fake, they're new accounts, and just know that I would never text you like that, so just stay safe and report them all. So you just want to find articles that are providing value. Like for example, I found this article that says 10 key steps to ranking higher in Google Maps. If I open up this article, you're gonna see that this is how it looks. It says 10 key steps to ranking higher in Google Maps, and it gives some useful advice and tips for people that want to rank higher with Google Maps. Now what I can do is I can copy the link for this article and I can proceed on to the next step, which is to open up write.ly. Write.ly is a tool that will allow you to add an evil pop-up to literally any website out there. You're gonna see exactly what that means and exactly how you can make money with that. But first things first, you want to create an ad. So you can want to click on create new ad right over here. You want to give it a name. I'm just gonna say Google rankings and I'm gonna click on ad. And that ad is going to be the evil pop-up, which is gonna be right over here. So you want to click on evil pop-up and you want to show this after about 8 to 10 seconds. So I'm just going to add this after 8 seconds. So while someone is reading the article, they're gonna get this pop-up after 8 seconds. Now we're gonna customize this. You can of course change your profile name. What I would personally do is instead of the profile name, I'm gonna say $500 free Google ad credit. And I'm going to say learn how to rank higher on Google and get a $500 free Google ad coupon. And then the button text is going to be click here to claim the $500 Google ad coupon. And now the button link, which is the most important link, and by the way, I'm also gonna remove the actual logo by rightly, so I don't really need that, so I'm just gonna remove that. You can even upload your own logo. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then for the button link, you want to go over to adcreative.ai, which is a tool that helps people improve conversion rates on their ads with high converting ad creatives like these. But most importantly, when actually someone signs up to ad creatives, they're gonna get a $500 free Google ads credit for the ads they're running on Google, so they can first of all rank higher, but they're also gonna get $500 of free ads for their website or their business. So this is really beneficial for someone. Not only can they get better conversion rates, but they also get a $500 free Google ad coupon. So what I want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of Ad Creative, and there you're going to find their affiliate program right over here, and you want to sign up as an affiliate because you're going to be paid 30% recurring commission, which can go as like $7,000 per month if you refer 100 people. If you refer 1,000 people, that's going to be $74,000 per month in pure passive income as long as they're using Ad Creative. As long as they keep on using, you're going to be making $74,000 every single month. If you can refer 1,000 people plus, they're going to give you a one-time $10,000 bonus for referring 1,000 people to the platform. So you want to sign up as a partner, but right over here, you want to sign up as an affiliate, click on become a partner, and then once you create an account and you get accepted as an affiliate, this is how it's going to look like. It's hosted on Partner Stack, where you can scroll a little bit down and you can see your affiliate link right over here. So you can copy your affiliate link, and then you want to go back to Rightly and you want to paste that button link. You want to paste that into the button link box so that when someone clicks on this, they're redirected to Ad Creative. So now you can scroll a little bit down and you can click on done and you will have your ad created. Now most importantly, what you want to do with this ad is you want to enter the destination URL, which is going to be the URL of this article. So you're going to type that in here and then you're just going to select your ad. In this case, it's Google rankings for me, and then I will click on create a link with ad. And now I can copy this link, and if someone goes to this link, you're gonna see that that's gonna take them to the article, and while they're reading about 10 steps to ranking higher in Google Maps, while they're going through the website, after 8 seconds of them being on the website, there's gonna be an evil pop-up that's gonna show up on the screen, and once that evil pop-up shows on the screen, they're gonna be able to click on the button, which is going to take them to adcreative.ai. So what you can simply do right now is you can go over to Google and you can find businesses that are trying to rank higher, and those businesses can be literally any type of businesses, and they can also be around the world, so it doesn't need to be a specific city or whatsoever. So you can, for example, search for a barbershop in New York. You can also search for a coffee shop in Bali, in Canggu, in Uluwatu, like all around the world. You can find different places and find different businesses, search for them, and find people that are not ranking at the top. So for example, I found this premium barbershop in New York, and in most of the cases, if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the website of these businesses, you're going to be able to find their email address, which you can copy, and then you can send them an email, and that email can basically explain that you can help them. So for example, you can just say in the subject line, are you accepting new clients? So it's gonna improve the click-through rate. And then you can just write a brief email, and maybe you can even tell them that you're not selling anything, you're just providing free value. You can tell them how beneficial it's gonna be if they're ranking higher on Google and if they're actually running Google ads, but you don't have anything to sell them. You can just tell them that they can read this article to learn more about ranking higher on Google, and they can read it for completely free. So you're just providing free value, you're not selling anything, and they're gonna open up that article through the right-click link. They're gonna start reading the article, and after 8-10 seconds, they're gonna see the pop-up on the screen that tells them that they can get a $500 Google Ads credit. And obviously, if they have a business, they're interested in getting a free $500 Google Ad credit, so they're gonna sign up through a link. And if you get 1,000 people sign up through your link, that's gonna be over $74,000 per month in affiliate commissions in pure passive income with Ad Creative. So go there, test this method, and let me know how it went in the comments down below. I really hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and I will see you next time.